Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Abby, and welcome to Science for Young Minds with Marvin Education Center. This series is for M.1. Here are some important words for this lesson. Can you say them with me? Here we go. 1. Thunderstorm. 2. Precipitation. 3. Rain. 4. Snow. 5. Hail. 6. Tropical cyclone. 7. Hurricane. 8. Typhoon. 9. Tornado. Thunderstorm is a storm with thunder and lightning with heavy rainfall. They are formed in large cumulonimbus clouds, commonly known as thunderheads. How does a thunderstorm formed? Alright, thunderstorms form when warm air is forced upward along a cold front. When warm, moist air drifts into a higher area and becomes cool, it condenses into water droplets. The cloud continues to grow as long as the warm air continues to go up. Tropical cyclones. What is tropical cyclone? Where it is found? Good. Tropical cyclones are areas of low pressure that develop over tropical waters. They can be found in tropical countries. Tropical cyclone has three main parts. Do you know what are they? Great! The main parts of tropical cyclones are the eye wall, and rain bands. Now let's talk about their differences. The center and the calmest part of the tropical cyclone is the eye. On the other hand, eye wall is the most dangerous part of the storm, where heavy rains and strong winds are being produced. The curved clouds trailing away from the eye, which produces heavy bursts of rains and winds, or sometimes with no wind or rain between the spiral, are the rain bands. Amazing, isn't it? Hurricane. Hurricanes are storms that form over tropical waters. A storm with a very strong wind that occur in the West Atlantic Ocean. Typhoon. The second tropical cyclones. Typhoon is a violent storm with strong wind that is found in West Pacific Ocean. Trivia time! Do you know that typhoon is stronger than hurricane? Yes, because in West Pacific Ocean, the water is warmer. That creates a better condition for development of storms. Tornadoes. A strong, dangerous wind that forms itself into an upside-down spinning cone. Tornadoes form when warm, humid air collides with cold, dry air. The denser cold air is pushed over the warm air, usually producing thunderstorms. The warm air rises through the colder air. When it touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. Do you know that thunderstorms and tropical cyclones are very dangerous? Yes, they can kill animals, plants, and humans. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for listening and see you in the next episode.